Hey guys! Davis Girls here, and we are doing our first cooking vlog. So we're super excited to show you our white chocolate hot chocolate. It's one of our family favorites throughout the holidays. We are very festive today, as you can tell. Ava's a
reindeer. I'm Santa Claus.
And I am an elf. So let's get started. So this is a super simple recipe, and I'm going to go over the ingredients with you. So this is how you make the hot chocolate itself. So we have 12 ounces of white chocolate chips and a gallon of whole milk.
And then we also have some little candy canes. You can get normal size or mini size, doesn't really matter. And then you're gonna need one of these crushers for later. And then you're gonna also need honey, and I'll explain why in a little bit.
And then you can just have some maybe cuter candy canes to put on the rim of the cup and just maybe even add it into the white chocolate hot chocolate to make a little peppermint flavor.
Alright guys, so let's get cooking. So first step is we're going to pour all of the gallon milk into the pot that we have over the stove. Next step, step 2, we're going to pour all of the chocolate chips into the pot with the milk over the stove. So now we're going to turn the heat on low. One important fact about this recipe is you have to frequently stir it or else it will all clump together. And if you would like to add a little more flavor, you can add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract to our bowl. And then keep stirring. You're going to stir this until all of the chocolate chips are melted, and then we will go to the next step.
Okay, so the next step is we're gonna put some candy canes in a little baggie, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna crush it up. And then I'm gonna put the crushed up pieces in this plate, and then I'm gonna put a little drip of honey in this plate. Okay, now it's crushing time. What I like to do sometimes is think of everything that I've had frustration with, whether it's school, whether it's finals, just let it all out in this little crusher. All right, now I'm gonna pour the little bits of candy cane onto a plate. It smells really good. And then next, I'm going to drip a little bit of honey on the other plate to mix it well and make it sticky. The top of the cup and the decoration is a 2-step process, super easy. First, you're just gonna dip it in the honey. Make sure you get the whole lid area trounced with honey. Because then you go over here and the candy canes stick to it. And then you have a cute little top of the lid, like so.
Okay guys, so now it's serving time. I love this because it is super easy to make. I didn't even know it took that short of time. Make sure to be very careful when pouring because it can be a little hot. So now I'm gonna add some candy canes for cuteness and flavor.
Cheers! Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays!